Veteran actor Yusuf Hussain died of COVID-19 on Saturday. The 73-year-old actor was being treated at Mumbai's Lilavati hospital where he took his last breath. Yusuf Hussein's death has left his family and friends in the film fraternity heartbroken. Hussein's son-in-law, filmmaker Hansal Mehta, took to Twitter and penned an emotional note for the actor, recalling how Hussain had helped him financially after his feature Shahid was stuck after 2 schedules. He wrote, "I was troubled. A non-existent career as a filmmaker was almost finished completely. He just came up to me and said, I have a fixed deposit and it is of no use to me if you are so troubled." He wrote a check. Shahid was completed. That was Yusuf Hussain. Mehta wrote, "Not my father-in-law but a father. He was life if life itself had to have a physical form. Today he is gone." The filmmaker said he owes his new life to Hussain and wrote he feels truly orphaned today. He said, "Life will never be the same and he will be missed terribly." The veteran actor's credits also include films like Dabangg 3, Oh My God, I Am Singh, and had also shot for Abhishek Bachchan starrer upcoming thriller Bob Biswas.